So this is just a short little overview of how to put a story into the system. When you're logged in, if you'll click under resources here to share your story, uh, a page like this will load up, and it's pretty straightforward. There's a few caveats. I'll just do a real quick scroll through here. So you have a headline field, some fields for section, topic, references, a teaser, art, the main text. And that's really about it for now. So what I'm going to do is do an example story and show you how it's done. Um, the story I'm talking about is the legislature's pre-filing legislation for next year. I'm going to cite this story by the state and the actual pre-filed text from the legislature. So I've already started it, and you can see here I've plugged in the headline. I'm going to grab a section, and on this just kind of scroll through and pick whatever makes sense. So politics, and if you hold down on the Mac the command key and on the PC the control key, you can multiple select fields. So we'll probably do maybe we'll toss this in news too, and I'll select promoted. You probably don't need to worry about that right now, actually. Um, and then under topic is just a comma separated list of keywords. So we have like legislature, laws, pre-file, traffic, speeding, texting, cell phones, things like that. For references, you can put in any publications you're citing, like the state and the state house. And if you pause for a second, this works for the keywords too. You'll get a list of things we've used before. And I don't know if we've put. I just won't put that one in actually. Then there's this longevity field, which is something you don't have to worry about. We use it as a way to say basically how interesting it is. And at first, before when you save these, they're not going to go live on the site. I'll come in and take a look at them and tweak them and give you feedback and things like that. But then as you get more custom in the system, you'll probably start doing more some of the granular activities. And then there's the teaser, which teases the story, and this is what goes on the front page and things like that. And so I just have a little bit of teaser text. Oops, let me hide that for now. And then I've just written some text here, real kind of basic, just kind of promoting the story. On it, you have some basic kind of WYSIWYG options up here, bold, italic, paragraph styles, all these sorts of things. I'll send you an email also with kind of some of the writing style things, but we usually, if we have more than just a couple paragraphs, we'll grab the first one and give it this heading 3 to kind of give it a larger intro. And this is just a very rough approximation of what it actually looks like on the site. And then what I want to do is I want to link to the state story, so I'll just grab that link and I'll select this text here, grab this link tool, and paste the link in. And then just insert it and do the same for this one. We'll link over to that. And actually, I should probably say read through them for yourself at the legislature's website. And so that about does it for the story. For the art, I've selected an image here, and I've typed a credit in to link to the user's Flickr page. We use Flickr to find a lot of our kind of generic stock style photography. If you want to do that too, you can come over to up here, flickr.com /advanced, and you can just type in whatever you're looking for. In this case, I use South Carolina State House, and then at the bottom, check only search with Creative Commons licensed content, and that basically means the photographers said, you're free to use this work as long as you credit us, in a nutshell. And if this was like a the music show or something, you could come on here and select a date for the event, and that does it. Just hit submit, and wait a second. And so yeah, there's the story. If you want to fix anything, you can just click up here, improve this article, and you can get back into edit it. And when you go back and edit it, it looks, as you can see, slightly different. Um, so yeah, so that's the system in a nutshell. It's mostly straightforward. You can get sometimes you can have get hung up on formatting stuff here where things get out of whack, but that doesn't happen too often.